All right, future Titans of Industry. We are going to take the snake body code that we just added and add it to our game panel. So the first thing that we want to do is throw it over here. We are going to add snake body as something a little bit shorter. It's a little bit easier to work with. So we are going to take over all that information. We're going to take it over as private. So we are going to take that snake body is the name of it, and we are just going to shorten that to a B. And now inside of that, we are going to create an array. Remember, arrays are similar to lists inside of Python, and this is going to hold all of our different versions of the snake body as it gets larger. So we're going to array list, and then we will close that up, and the array we are going to name snake. So as we get another piece on top of the snake as it grows, we're going to add that to the array, and we're going to continue to have that array move around. So there we go. Oh, silly me. The array list is the name over here, and then the name of the array, or what we want to put inside of it, is our snake body. And keep that right there. Cool. All right, so now we need to add some integers that we had over there that we called inside of the snake body. So what we are going to do is say that private, we are taking over those same ones. Integer of x coordinate is going to equal 10. We want this to move in a state of 10 as it moves across our 500, 500. So then we're going to do y coordinate is equal to 10. And then when we add something to this, we want to have our size increase. So we're going to have our size increase by 5. So it's just going to grow the snake just a little bit. Cool. All right. So now let's actually add it to our game panel, because right now we just have something that's being drawn right there. So now we are going to add snake is equal to the new array list that is full of snakes list. And that list was called snake body, capital snake body. And we are going to call that as a function, or as a method rather. Cool. All right, now what we also want to throw in here, no, we're going to leave it like that. So we're going to add the snake body over here. Cool. Let's see if we can change. We're going to go over to our paint graphics, and we are going to paint our snake into this. So we are going to use another for loop so we can grow the snake. And we're going to say for integer I, we're going to use that again, is equal to 0. So we're going to start at the bare minimum. And then we are going to say I is greater than or equal or greater than height. Oh, sorry. No, looking at the wrong part of my notes. I is actually less than snake dot size. And we're going to call that size right here. And that means that we're going to add just to the snake. Cool. So inside of this, we are now going to throw in here our snake dot get I. So we're going to add I to our snake list, and then we're going to dot draw G. Cool. Oop. For integer snake dot get I get draw G. We're missing a semicolon. Cool. All right, so now we have this length and width. We have this. We've got our snake over here. Let's compile this. That all seems to be working. Let's compile our main. Now let's see. When we run this, snake is still not there yet because we haven't done any movement. So don't worry about that. But that's going to be it for right now. I will talk to you later. Bye.